idea very important. Data protection there. Bumwa, idea bakwa emfani program. Because one say on my diano, the idea Abrokyire and Abrofo, Yana and Pempino, you say dia Yabaha Nankrata Semunti, yes, Muni, Wako Jumum, Yacho, and I said, if you are here, Juma control about yes, Ninkrata, Yabavetro. Get your yes, I say, on data, so I say, in your year, because I know. And on the board of mine work, so many developer, it's not data now. What should be a unique identity. How to identify you? So I say, Tina, board of mine over necessary, over now in Grata Bropo time, and a barbecue. They know how important. So I say, unique identity, no, we are building data here. And to data, they are now identity, no. It is important. Say protection wo me ya eti kromwa Netherlands na obi so bia obeka tiro omukasa ha oba ye mbisa ni date of birth e ade wo ha uhu oba bia ye mbisa no onka ntiro e ade obi so bia wata Netherlands na cha adwumam e ma bebre ye mbisa of date of birth say ye wo date ben e ma bebre obi sa no onka kofo bebre obeko online say bia wa ko hospital and I said, sir, and only the OP. Wako hospital, and I said, opposite of the start house and RBB. So I said, you be sano, say, with this idea control be answer. But I said, ordinarily, say, if you are moving Nkomo, who be sano date of birth, and ya there, and you know, Yamagana Moon, Yan Musa, Yamano, if you say one. The first said, Nancy, and tell me, unique identity, Visa Ghana Kada. About abroad for the past 8 or 9 years in India, Benya first, no. Your mind, or your person, your man, and Sassy, and conform him with the importance of our and conform personal identity, how you protect the channel. Yana no almost right. So I say, if you say, no, Yan said, I'm first, and your man, and Sassy, all the Ghana, Yan, first crown, many Panama break cry, Yanim baby, obiti. You need identity, you won't cry on a more transition. So I say, it is the same now for the past 9 years and 10 years to say, dear, Ubia almost Ghanaian, they are registered now, the whole unique identity. Data protection, especially at our ports. What I say, airports, any other idea in here. It is a bit more no much leaky. Before Nemagu, and I make on Abrokyire, we are signing man, 1 year. Institution and as organization now, there's a it is institution in Sudan, very new Tanya. Right. Sir, Obi, woman, Yambo, institution by Nesebia, institution, a crowd data like hospital. Once a promo assembly seem ready, informant be the personal data. A secret. Who the identity about it. It's nice to find you changing sign identity. Biometrical, but I say you're changing identity by your tea, you're changing in your throat, Nipa, yes, and authority, yes, and Nipa, to man also. You're entirely to them, now you deal with them. But I say so much no money for identity about it. They have put that person's life in danger. Yes, I'm compensating. It's an identity, you're changing your baby or thing, and the passport out to go on any map. No money and son, you're changing everything was changed. Don't tell it you. It's a how protection. It's a so wouldn't I will be you got to our one thing. Not for report to her. You bet me at 1 year, I'll bet my prison on that. And I said, if you don't bet me, I just can't get through. And the Ahano, almost here, then funny part and to Tobasa because unique identity now, Yaja, they are building data, country, about whom I no idea you are like me. Because I didn't give me passport to her. Because hospital not me passport, and me here, hospital card me here. Yeah, interconnected DBR, it's home here. It is the passport way. Put the better abontia. Why expose everything that I have? Driving license, everything. Why expose? Look at the danger. Put the machine.
Right.
Yeah. That is why they don't joke to Sanya Mano or my Muasi. It's a Ghana. No, I think it's a year. No, it's a say I'm from the Rian. I say, yeah. It's airport. Obeti. Last week, it's not the first time. What if you go to Dubai? Say immigration officers no. Identity at one thing. Airport. Social media here. I'm make at that time now about that and no power. Meaning Peliphobia, I gave it to them. Make a deputy foreign minister then.
Right.
It's been command who said this and this is what some people have reported. How more on social media. It's almost a young baby. It's long for continue for checking Emirates that time. I'm a media team who would perform, but they work on it. Some said it here. It's Sandia man, especially. Yeah, on my warrior ports, no. And the almost because even immigration officers now they ain't even power into do about things and easy to do that. And an individual so me to be for the now my chat now me the social media say the Ghana for a year that is putting go to the passport permit to sir no problem. It's sanity.
Right. Kofi Nyarko and Yatinika all the way from Holland.